cannot progress without it. I think this little quote sums up the importance of art and creativity in any culture. And I think what Pakistan desperately needs right now are more creative outlets to help produce more balanced individuals who are encouraged to explore themselves and express their ideas freely and without judgment. Now, I would like to quickly share an incident that happened when I was teaching movement at the National Academy of Performing Arts here in Karachi. Now, when I was learning contemporary dance in Melbourne many years ago, we did this exercise in class called the performer and the witness. And the role of the performer is to close your eyes for 15 minutes. And there's no sound, there's no external stimulus. And the whole idea is to find movement from within and do whatever you want, create, explore. And what naturally happens when you close your eyes for a long 15 minutes is you go within, you discover things about yourself, and this becomes a very deep, beautiful, spiritual dance experience. So I wanted to share this with my students here. But when we tried this exercise here at Napa, what happened at the end of 15 minutes is that every single student broke down emotionally. They were literally howling and crying and shaking. And this was, of course, very unexpected and, to be honest, very scary. So later we had a chat about it. And I realized that these young people are like walking time bombs. They're carrying so much financial and family pressure and so much confusion in their heads. And they have no constructive outlet to discuss these things or to express or, put these questions forward. And these 15 minutes of having to go within and confront their own reality causes them to either break down or explode. And if this is a representation of what the general youth in Pakistan are like, then this is a very dangerous situation. So what we did for the next 3 months is this little movement class turned into a dance therapy class. And we pursued with this performer witness exercise. And we used dance and movement and their bodies as a tool to let go and deal with this frustration and deal with this aggression. And this was 3 months of a beautiful, fun process, and we ended up creating some beautiful choreographies. And I think this is a small example of how dance can offer, societies these wonderful creative solutions to help its people. Now, the piece that we will be performing for you today is from my contemporary dance drama titled Conversations. And the theme of this show is to explore man's deepest desire of wanting to be free. But instead, we're trapped and going around in these circles and patterns, unable to break free. And to explore this theme, we've taken on the character of birds. Performing with me on stage today are Shezi Khan, Mohammad Ghani, and Shan Sheikh. And the lady behind our faces is Binish Pervez. Thank you.